Hello, everyone. My name is Brian. I am a high school science teacher and a DIY project enthusiast. Recently, I came across a product that promises to drastically reduce energy bills, and today I want to share my experience with the Easy Power Plant. If you, like me, are tired of seeing your electricity bill go up every month, keep reading. I will tell you everything in detail. Since the beginning of the year, my family and I have noticed a significant increase in our electricity bill. Despite all our efforts to save energy, the rates kept rising. That's when I started looking for alternatives that could help us reduce these costs. During my research, I found several options, but it was the Easy Power Plant that really caught my attention. What initially attracted me was the promise of reducing the energy bill by up to 60% in just 30 days. Additionally, the product was developed by a geography teacher, which gave me a sense of trust and authenticity. The idea of being able to build a home power generator with my own hands was exciting, especially since I like to involve my kids in educational and practical projects. I decided to watch some review videos and read comments about the Easy Power Plant before making the purchase. I saw that many people were satisfied with the results and mentioned that the guide was detailed and easy to follow. So, I decided to give it a try and bought the product. Upon gaining access to the Easy Power Plant, the first thing I did was explore the members area and the available materials. The package included a PDF guide and a series of training videos that explained step-by-step how to assemble the generator. The promise that anyone, even with just one hand, could build the system seemed very realistic. In the first few days, I dedicated a few hours to fully understand the process. The guide was quite detailed, but I noticed that some important images and diagrams were missing, which left me a bit concerned. Nonetheless, I continued following the instructions and watching the videos. The videos were clear and showed the construction process of the system up to the testing phase. However, I had some difficulties when it came time to assemble the electrical part. The product creator often mentioned images and diagrams that were not available either in the PDF guide or the members area. This required me to be a bit more creative and careful to ensure I was doing everything correctly. After a few days of work, I managed to complete the assembly of my Easy Power Plant generator. I conducted the initial tests and, to my surprise, everything worked as promised. I was able to power some appliances and verified that the energy production was sufficient to significantly reduce our dependence on the electrical grid. In the following weeks, we monitored our energy bill and indeed noticed a considerable reduction in costs. The savings reached about 50%, which already made a big difference in our monthly budget. I was very satisfied with the result, despite the initial difficulties. For those thinking about investing in the Easy Power Plant, here are my recommendations. Be prepared to dedicate time and effort to the assembly. Although the guide and videos are helpful, the lack of some diagrams and images can make the process a bit challenging, especially for those without much experience with electrical projects. But with patience and attention to detail, it is possible to assemble the generator and enjoy the benefits. If you, like me, are looking for a way to reduce your energy bills and become more self-sufficient, I strongly recommend you try the Easy Power Plant. Not only will you save money, but you will also learn a lot about sustainable energy and can involve your family in an educational and practical project. Don't waste time and start saving on your energy bill today. Visit the Easy Power Plant website and get your complete guide. Transform your home into a source of sustainable energy and significantly reduce your expenses. Click the link below to learn more and place your order now. Let's move together towards energy self-sufficiency. I hope this review has been helpful. If you have any questions or want to know more details about my experience, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with friends and family who can also benefit from this amazing solution. See you next time.